As always, you can access the PDF file for this lecture from the resource area in Lecture 1 of this section of the course. Now it's time to add your newly received shipment into your inventory and send it on its way to Amazon. I'll assume this is your very first shipment of this particular product to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. We'll talk about replenishing existing inventory a little later. If you followed the instructions in the previous section where we pretended to add a product to our inventory to match the UPC from the supplier, we'll be doing the same thing again, except for real this time. Head on over to the Seller Central homepage, hover over the Inventory tab, and select Add a Product. You'll see the Add a Product page. Now enter the UPC or ASIN for your product into the search bar. This is the UPC or ASIN that you saved in your price analysis sheet inside the master workbook. I'm going to use this Chefland product for our example. I'll copy the UPC, paste it into the search bar, hit search. Now click on the orange Sell Yours button and you'll see a new page to add your product offer info. This is where we'll add all the required information to add this product to our inventory. The first one is SKU. This is the same as the MSKU column found on your price analysis sheet mentioned earlier. You create your own unique MSKU. I created mine to show the supplier, followed by a short description and ending with my purchase price. Here's an example. For the MSKU, I always start with a 3-digit prefix for the supplier, in this case Chefland. Then add a short description and always end with 5-digit purchase price, in this case $10. I include the purchase price because it comes in handy when viewing sales reports later on. The MSKU has a maximum of 40 characters. Let's copy and paste it into the SKU field on the offer page. The next required field is tax code. This is your designated tax code for this product. There are many different tax codes, but the only one I ever use is AGEN tax. I'll discuss how to set this up later in this section. For now, you can just select AGEN no tax if you'd like. You can change it later if necessary. The condition is always new. Your price is the sale price that you want to use. You can match the low price that's already existing or come up with your own. And then at the very bottom, you want to make sure it says, I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service for my items if they sell. This is selecting fulfillment by Amazon. Otherwise, it's merchant fulfilled. You can see where it says, I want to ship this item myself. There are other options on this page, but these are the only pieces of information you need to create your inventory listing. You can edit this page later if needed. For now, just click Save and Finish. This will take you to the Send Replenish Inventory page. At this point, you can do one of two things. Go ahead and create a shipment to send to Amazon with the Continue to Shipping Plan button, or stop here and create the shipment later from your Manage Inventory page. For now, let's stop here and go examine the Manage Inventory page. Just click on the Amazon Seller Central icon at the top left and go back to the dashboard. Congratulations, you just created a new inventory listing for your product. It will show on your inventory management page usually within a matter of minutes. At this point, we have an inactive listing waiting for us to create a shipment, then send it on to the Amazon Fulfillment Center, and finally sell all of it and retire in luxury. But first, let's go see our new listing in our inventory page. From your Seller Central dashboard, hover over the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory. From the Manage Inventory page, you're going to need to select the Inactive button in the Filters section at the top. It should look like this. I'll input the new M SKU into the search bar so we can just deal with this specific product, and hit search. As I just mentioned, initially your inventory will be inactive because you haven't actually sent anything to Amazon yet. That's what we'll do in the next lesson. First, look at the column headings on the Manage Inventory page. It shows the status of this SKU, a thumbnail image, the M SKU, a link to the product page, inventory counters, an editable price box, the current sales rank, and the buy box price. Tip: notice the Preferences tab at the top right of this page. Here you can customize the Manage Inventory page with information that suits your needs. It's now time for our box to take a road trip to Amazonville, and we'll do that in the next lecture.